FPV stands for first person view, and I wear video goggles, and the image from the camera on the plane is transmitted and I fly as though I'm sitting inside the plane. I've got it up to about 700 meters away, and it'll probably make about a kilometer. Yeah, I could be up or along as well, so I've got it to about 1,500 feet up.
She's sniffing the night, his arms in the air. She follows the light, he's already there. She lights up his cigarette, he sings her a song. She likes to forget, he helps her along, and we wash their hair, and we test their eyes. It must be like strange ways, it's living inside. She peels from a leaf, he circles the stars. She picks at her teeth, he stares at the cars, and we wash their hair, and we test their eyes. It must be like strange ways, it's living inside.
It's really durable. I've crashed it loads of times and it just bounces back off. And if it bends or gets misshapen, you boil it and it'll pop back out.